Hello guys, I am Fahad and you are watching Fahad VFX YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to edit modern corporate titles template. First of all, go to Edit Compositions, Color and Text. Now select the title. Go to Text, select the text that belongs to the title. Now go to Control and change color of all the elements. Now go to Final Composition folder and select your title. You can change duration. Just drag out marker. When the animation ended, trim the composition. You can also press N. After this, go to Render Queue, select QuickTime and RGB plus alpha. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Fahad VFX YouTube channel.